mountains kiss the sky as Sabah echoes and the gongs begin to play. From the Magavaw ceremony to the beauty of the Unduk Nadao, celebrating our heritage on this sacred land. Kaamatan is not just partying, it's a time to purify. Guide us under so the roots run deep. We honor our ancestry, our sacred beliefs and customs passed down through history. There's a deeper meaning to it all, connection we enhance. So let us raise our glasses high to the Kaamatan Festival. From the paddy fields we rise, in unity we stand. In the heart of Borneo, where the mountains kiss the sky as Sabah echoes and the gongs begin to play. From the Magavaw ceremony to the beauty of the Unduk Nadao, celebrating our heritage on this sacred land. Kaamatan is not just partying, it's a time to purify. Guide us under so the roots run deep. We honor our ancestry, our sacred beliefs and customs passed down through history. There's a deeper meaning to it all, connection we enhance. So let us raise our glasses high to the Kaamatan Festival. From the paddy fields we rise.